Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in ingot silver. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box, a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has a Class 4 trailer tow hitch, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, and the steering wheel, the lighting controls are here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the help of your grab handle, it's easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu. And we can toggle through the menu. So we're just going to go in trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. And you're also seeing on the end of your steering wheel, or shifter, tow haul in sport. When we press that, it'll appear to the right. There's tow haul, S for sport, and then off again. In the center we have a little bit of a cubby, as well as your traction control and hazard lights, and you're seeing your display for your media there, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. You also have CD. And down below is your volume and tuner. There's your CD player, and there's your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as your front defrost. Off to the side is the 4x4, and underneath you have a little cubby. You also have a USB outlet and 12 volt. There's another little bin there to put items. Your armrest has a couple of cup holders, and there's also storage in that location. You can then flip the seat up for another seating position. It has its own seat belt. Unclip underneath. You've got a couple of cup holders that flip out, as well as more storage. Off to the side is another 12 volt. And you also have a locking glove compartment. And up above, manually dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in the body, a grab handle, making it easier for the passenger to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle and side view mirror, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have a Class 4 trailer hitch, 4 and 7-pin connector, as well as a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up the tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch, and you've got this nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. This vehicle is also a flex fuel, and on your fob you can lock and unlock the vehicle. So when you're ready, just lock it all up, walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand and it's in the upright position, and then pull the clasp to bring it back down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, an all-weather mat for easy cleanup on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, there's a 12 volt plus a couple of cup holders, a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.